morning, class. Well, we've been talking about all sorts of different shapes, and today we're going to talk about a super special one. Does anybody know what that attempt at a shape is? A circle. It's a very, very special shape because, like a lot of the other shapes we've been talking about, okay, that one. What's different about this one from these ones? It has corners. It has these corners called vertex. What else does it have? What else doesn't it have? Doesn't have any sides. There are no straight edges on this circle at all. If it did, it wouldn't be a circle, right? Well, there's something else really, really special about a circle. And guys, I'm not going to tell you. I want you guys to figure it out. So what we're doing right now is we're passing out a whole bunch of circular objects. And if you don't have enough, there's a lot on the tables as we're passing out. There's a whole stack of them right here. We might just start opening them. But we are having on the worksheet. I want you guys to follow the directions of the worksheet. You guys are going to work on these in your individual groups, so make sure to read the directions super carefully. And you guys are going to find out something very special about these circles. But first, guys, I want to talk about this circle just a little bit. Guys, the circle is, I drew a line, or I drew with my pen this red mark around the circle that actually makes it a circle, right? But the circle has, well, there's a whole bunch of stuff outside, there's a whole bunch of stuff inside, and then there's the line itself. What part of it is the actual circle? Anybody know? Ooh, I heard a good word. I heard the word circumference. What is a circumference? Perimeter. Ooh, what's perimeter? What's a perimeter? The distance around the outside. It is one full circle all the way around until you hit that point. And it's the actual line itself that I draw when I draw a circle. Is my circumference, guys. Okay, circumference is the distance around. What else could I find about my circle? There's another distance I could draw. Diameter. Shortcut around it. Okay? If it's an Earth, it's something else. This is my Earth, it's my equator. It is the going through the center of the circle, center of our Earth. Okay? It's the distance from the furthest points of the circle to the end. So, guys, if I draw it up here, is it my circumference? My diameter? It has to be the longest point, or the longest distance in between the two opposite sides of my circle. So guys, this one, it's a diameter. Vocabulary words are super important because, guys, I can just say this is my diameter, and you guys are all now going to know what I'm talking about. Can you imagine every single time if I had to say, okay, it's the point, it's the line, it's the distance that goes through the middle of my circle that connects it, and it's long. And it's like you'll be a whole paragraph every time. So remember, your math vocabulary words are really, really important. So I want you guys to practice them today. So circumference and diameter are ones that are really important. So go ahead and get started your worksheets. What you guys have are your tools, and we don't need no fancy tools. We have string and we have circular objects. So what I want you guys to do, there's circular objects around you all the time, every day. So what I want you guys to do is to measure with your string and rulers the distance around your circle, which is your circumference, and the diameter of your shapes. Now, some of them, like some of the cups and some of these things, are going to have different circumference and different diameters depending on whether you're measuring the top of the circle or the bottom of the circle. It doesn't matter what you do as long as you measure the circumference of the same part and the diameter of the same part. So if you have your circle or you have your cup, and I'm not an artist, so forgive me. Okay? The bottom of the cup is going to be bigger than the top of your cup. So if you measure the circumference of your bottom of your cup, make sure you measure the diameter of the bottom too, which is you guys should be. Okay? So have fun. Keep going. Measure, and then guys, on your worksheet on the back, just write down what you're finding. As close as you can. It is string, so it won't be perfect. Measure your circumference and the diameter.
You should try to measure at least 10 objects. So there aren't 10 objects on your desk. I centimeters, please. And so when you're done measuring your objects, you can move, mosey on over to a different desk. So, and when you're moving, try not to talk to your neighbor. Just get up slowly, go sit down, and measure some more objects. I see a lot of you are started doing the mystery ratio already. If you don't know, we want you to do more than one, at least 10. And you're going to do
Hey guys, you don't have 10 objects at your table. We don't expect you to. So what you guys are going to need to do is you're going to need to trade with the nearby tables to get different objects. So when you guys have used up all the ones at your table, go ahead and find another table and trade objects.
and the mystery ratio is circumference over diameter. So if you guys are wondering what you should be calculating, I don't know if that was said, but it should be circumference over diameter. So, Brandy, your objects? So if you get your objects. Yes, please. So what's some initial results so far for the mystery ratio? Andrew, give me your results so far. What do you have?
So far I got 3.26, 3.26, and 3.22.
Thank you. Let's go with Tiffany. What's your results so far? You haven't got one yet. So what have you been doing? Let's get started.
The teacher gave her an assignment.
guys make sure, I know a lot of you guys have several ratios already. If I want this ratio expressed as a or not as a fraction, but as a decimal. So make sure you plug those in and give me just an estimate to maybe the hundredths place. If you don't remember what the hundredths place is, 2 decimal places past it.
Didn't start reading the ratio? Now ratio, Brandon? What was my ratio so far? What was
About 3.14.
about 3.14? Wow. Wow.
Now that I have strength.
Anna, can I have a ratio?
We had 3.33.
3.33. 3.1. Is that what she said?
Changing the decimals, just changing the decimals.
We have another 3.14.
Whoa, looks like you're getting close. Got 3 in the 20s.
This everybody.
Daniel, do something.
You guys, if you don't have your calculator, most of your phones have calculators too nowadays.
3.4.
So use your calculator, use your phone as calculator if you don't have anything else.
And another 3.14, is that what I heard?
3.4.
3.4.
March. What do you got? 3.2. Let's see, 3.2. That's a good one. Okay, Jeffrey. Give me a ratio. Give me a ratio that you have in your
22 over 7.
22. 3.15.